Hallo daar, welcome back to the Learn Afrikaans series, the perfect beginner's course to learn Afrikaans. Last time we did die weer, the weather in Afrikaans. This time we will cover Skool, school in Afrikaans. Do subscribe if you enjoy our series. Worksheets and early videos are available on the Patreon. Les 16, Skool, school. In this video we will go over the vocabulary needed if you want to talk about everything to do with Skoolgaan, Skoolgaan in Afrikaans. Let's begin. In South Africa, year groups are divided into grades. You start school usually at the age of 7, 7. In graad 1, graad 1. Before graad 1 you might be in a kleuterskool, kleuterskool. The year in kleuterskool is called graad R, graad R. In graad 1 you have entered your first year of laerskool, laerskool. Laerskool is from graad 1 tot graad 7. Graad 1 tot graad 7. Hoe oud sal jy wees as jy in graad 7 is? Hoe oud sal jy wees as jy in graad 7 is? As ek in graad 7 is ek 13 jaar oud. As ek in graad 7 is ek 13 jaar oud. If you need to go over the Afrikaans numbers again, you can watch our video on it. In graad 8 you begin with hoërskool, hoërskool. As you can see the E of hoërskool, there are two dots. These dots are called a deelteken. They indicate that a new syllable starts. Notice therefore the pronunciation. Hoërskool, hoërskool. You don't pronounce the O and E together. The deelteken is one of several skryftekens in Afrikaans. We will release a separate video about this. Hoërskool is van graad 8 tot graad 12. Hoërskool is van graad 8 tot graad 12. Graad 12 is also called matriek, matriek, because you matrikuleer, matrikuleer. Matriek is used both to describe the year and the students. For example, hy is in matriek, hy is in matriek. Die matrieks skryf môre eindeksamen. Die matrieks skryf môre eindeksamen. For teachers, the men are referred to by their surnames and the title meneer, meneer, soos meneer van Wyk, meneer van Wyk. And the women are called juffrou, juffrou, soos juffrou Lou, juffrou Lou. Let's go over some vakke, vakke. Afrikaans, Afrikaans. Engels, Engels. Wiskunde, wiskunde. Biologie, biologie. Wetenskap, wetenskap. Chemie, chemie. Fysika, fysika. In the South African school system, some vakke are joined together under different names like natuurwetenskap, natuurwetenskap, lewenswetenskap, lewenswetenskap, fysische wetenskap, fysische wetenskap, geskiedenis, geskiedenis, aardrykskunde, aardrykskunde, of geografie, geografie, rekeningkunde, rekeningkunde, besigheidstudies, besigheidstudies, drama, drama, ekonomie, ekonomie, inligtingstegnologie, inligtingstegnologie, musiek, musiek, rekenaar toepassingstegnologie, rekenaar toepassingstegnologie, verbruikersstudie, verbruikersstudie, visuele kuns, visuele kuns, ingenieursgrafika en ontwerp, ingenieursgrafika en ontwerp, lewensoriëntering, lewensoriëntering, liggaamlike opvoeding, liggaamlike opvoeding. These are some of the Vakke you can find in South African schools. Let's go over some sentences using the words we learned today. Wat is jou gunsteling vak? Wat is jou gunsteling vak? My gunsteling vak is wiskunde. My gunsteling vak is wiskunde. Watter vak het jy by meneer de Klerk? Watter vak het jy by meneer de Klerk? Ek het fisiese wetenskap by meneer de Klerk. Ek het fisiese wetenskap by meneer de Klerk. Ek hou baie van Afrikaans. Ek hou baie van Afrikaans. Môre skryf ons die rekeningkunde toets. Môre skryf ons die rekeningkunde toets. Ek gaan hard leer vir die toets. Ek gaan hard leer vir die toets. We will show a recap of today's words now. Be sure to go back to anything you struggled with. Thank you for watching. Next time we do question words in Afrikaans, vraagwoorde. To test yourself, visit our Patreon for worksheets. Do watch this video again to study effectively. Baie dankie. Sharing, liking and subscribing will help our channel a lot. Comment any questions below. Bye.